Hi to my channel. Today we are looking at how we can trade gold XAUUSD on the smaller time frames. But before we go to the smaller time frames, we are going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames, and I'll be starting with the daily time frame. Analysis. I have the pivot line at 2389.33, and I have the first resistance at 2399.91. Now price opened below the pivot line, and price crossing above the pivot line has just tested the first resistance. Of course, we have the first support at 2371.65. Now two things can happen. That is, price first of all might go back to the pivot line, which is 2389, or price might break above the first support to test the second support, which is at 2417.59. We are looking at morning star pattern here, formation of morning star candlestick pattern, and if price closes anywhere around this region, if the daily price closes anywhere around this region, I expect gold price to continue to go back up. All right, leaving us to have a support around here, and I'll presume price has tested the support and is going back to the resistance area. Our resistance area is around here. Implication of this is that price is ranging on the daily time frame, so we might expect price to do something like this and possibly get to the resistance, and price might likely drop. But this is the daily time frame, and this might take weeks or months. All right, so that's the case for pivot analysis for today. Now let's look at what has happened on the daily monthly time frame. I beg your pardon. On the monthly time frame, we have the monthly candles forming long wicks around here, and we can see this doji, and then we have this break above the resistance or the liquidity zone around here, with price closing above around the resistance area. But this particular month, we can see that price has dropped way the average or the middle of the previous month's candle, and price is attempting to go back off. If price closes at the opening area of this particular month's candle, we might see price continue its journey upwards, and price might attempt to test the 2500 level or area. But for now, on the monthly time frame, the trend line is ascending and the momentum is still high. It's picking up strength. Looking at this long momentum candle here and at this momentum candle here, we can conclude that price might likely go back up. What we just saw here for this month's candle for the first week of the month of August is a retracement, and price might go back to where it opened and possibly close above. But that's that for the monthly time frame, which shows that the price of gold is still bullish. On the weekly time frame, you can see that price of gold was ranging around here, and we have a break of the range, a pullback into the range. Now we have a break and close above the range, and we can see a pullback. So time frame price of gold still ranging, and this particular week's candle broke below last week's candle. With that, you can see that price is pulling back. I expect price to pull back at least to the midpoint of last week's candle, which is at 2414.51. It's around 2414.51. Price is currently at 2396.88. We might see price pull back to the midpoint, and we might see price go back to the opening line, which is at 24.20. If that happens, we'll surely expect price to continue to go up, at least to the top of the range or to the resistance area, and that's around the resistance area is around 2477 area. So for now, we can conclude that price still ranging on the weekly time frame. But where is it ranging to? It's ranging upwards. Price is ranging upwards on the time frame. So we might want to continue to buy gold at the bottom, buy low and buy the dip. On the daily time frame, we've already looked at what has happened with respect to pivot analysis on the daily time frame. Well, another particular thing we need to see on the daily time frame is the appearance of a double top that might end up as a triple top. Okay, this is the first top, this is the second top. We might end up seeing another top. All right, that might not be as high as this previous two, because there is a descending trend line formed around here. So we might have another top like this before we see this likely to looking at this particular morning star candlestick pattern that is forming around here, and the inability support line, which is at 2358. That's the daily time frame. We might see price going back to the top. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? We have the range of gold ranging in a triangle. Price is ranging in a triangle. Price is expected to break the triangle possibly today. I see a downside to the downside or to the top side. But looking at this triangle, we can see something like a triple bottom. This is the first bottom. There's the second bottom. And this is the third bottom. And with what is happening on the 4-hour time frame, we are also looking at a soldier candlestick pattern forming. A close above this descending trend line will indicate that price will first of all test this resistance area 240, and then attempt to get to another resistance area at 2417. That is if price is reacting to this triple bottom candlestick formation. Alright, so but for now, the overall direction on the 4-hour time frame is bullish, ranging bullishly. All right, you can see the range, and you can see the way price is trying to stylishly go up. So we might look for more. We might expect this range to break out and possibly break out to the top side. But if price decides to go downward, price needs to first of all break this ascending trend line at 2383 before breaking the support at 2378 and another support at 2364. So, but for now, there seems to be a balance between us and the sellers as price continue to consolidate. On the 1-hour time frame, consolidating, but for now, bulls are trying to push price above this descending trend line that we plotted on the 4-hour time frame. You can see price testing the descending trend line, and price is currently attempting to close above that trend line. It closes above this trend line, price might likely target 2405. But if price is unable to close above the trend line, price will likely drop to this particular spot, or price might likely come to this particular spot. That's 2385. So if price is unable to break up back, dropping back to continue the triangle formation, triangle pattern formation, we might likely see something like this. I likely see something until we have a breakout either to the top or to the bottom. So for now, price is ranging and price is attempting to break above the resistance area in line with the descending. On the 30 minutes time frame, price is also ranging, but there seems to be more pressure on the buyers on the bull side. So the bulls are making an attempt to push price up, and if price breaks and closes above this descending trend line, just like I said on the 1-hour time frame, price might see on the we have another resistance popping up on the 30 minutes time frame. That's 2415 before 2417. But for now, price has just broken above the descending trend line. But is it going to close above the descending trend line, or give us a fake out and then drops back below for range to continue? Only time will tell. Price, the bulls, the buyers are pushing price up. On the 5 minutes time frame, price is bullish. Range, so in a range, so you might want to look for buying opportunities for gold for now. Looking at the triple bottom breakout, the current breakout that is happening, price is breaking out. You might want to buy gold for now. If it gets to 405, it might possibly drop to test the descending trend line for it to find support and then continue its way up. So that's that for the analysis for today. Thank you to our current subscribers on the channel. If you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button. If you like the video, smash the like button. Drop comment below the video, ask for the video to your friends, share the video to your friends and loved ones. We have our website, www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit the website to learn more on how to trade gold. Till I come your way next time, it's bye.